The Universe cards. Number 21. Spiral Galaxy. Keyword: productivity. Interpretation. It is important for us to feel productive in our lives, whatever the nature of our work. Even if we do not have a job in the traditional sense, we need to feel that we are achieving something worthwhile with our time. If we do not believe in what we are doing at some level, we eventually become cynical and jaded. Unfortunately, this is the case for many of us who feel we are in humdrum jobs where what we do seems meaningless and unsatisfactory. This can be the case even if we are well paid for our work, although good pay may serve to keep us in an unsatisfactory job for longer. However, many people work in not particularly well-paid jobs simply because they strongly believe in what they are doing. People who work in education, medicine, or the charity sector, for example. But even in these worthwhile areas, many people have become very disillusioned about what they perceive as the negative changes of the last few years. Job satisfaction has become much more elusive in recent times. The Spiral Galaxy card indicates that a need to be productive and to be involved in something satisfying is being strongly constellated at the moment. Whatever activity you regard as your job is under scrutiny at the moment, and the appearance of the Spiral Galaxy card, number 21, is asking you to examine how satisfied you are with the current situation. Do you feel as you are as productive as you could be, or are you becoming dissatisfied and frustrated? The Spiral Galaxy card indicates that these issues are paramount, and you may be required to put aside such issues as security and financial gain and prioritize your own sense of productivity and inner satisfaction about what you do.